Now let's do a guided meditation, and this is going to be in the mindfulness tradition. Remember that we're focusing on staying in the present, focusing on breath and the sensations of the body. We're not trying to go somewhere else, or we're not even trying to go somewhere inside. We're trying to stay present. So close your eyes if you're comfortable doing so, or simply soften your gaze. Begin this meditation by finding a comfortable position with a natural curve in the spine, comfortable yet upright. That's comfortable for you. Relaxed, present. Notice your body. How are you sitting? Noticing the weight and movement and sensations of where you are sitting. Letting your attention sink into your body. Feeling it as though from the inside. Relaxing and then exploring. What is here? What is true for you in this moment? Let your attention gently come to rest on your breathing. Your breath is your anchor, and it's your breath that you can always return to. It's your home base. So feel the gentle rising and falling of your breath in the chest and in your abdomen, or in and out sensations located at your nostrils. So feel one breath after the next. One breath at a time. With curious attention, what does one breath feel like in this very moment? What is the temperature of the air? Is it cold? Warm? What does it feel like entering and exiting your body? Now, we can also open our attention to a variety of other experiences. When they come to your mind and get your attention, when they require more attention than the breath itself, you might notice sounds from the outside. Inside your room, outside your home, you might notice sounds pulling your attention away. Listen to the sound. Let go of the breath and listen to the sound. When it no longer holds your attention, return back to the breath. If a body sensation gets strong and pulls your attention away from the breath, let go of the breathing. No need to fight the body sensation. Just feel it and just let it happen naturally. Let your body go with the body sensation. Feel it. Sense it. Notice it. What happens? Does it grow or shrink? Expand? Increase? Decrease? Does it shift into something else when it's no longer holding your attention? Come back to the breathing. Your breath is your anchor to the present moment. And always come back to the breath. The simplicity of the breath is always available to you. If, while you're sitting, an emotion becomes strong and obvious, that can be what you focus on. You can bring your attention to the emotion. So again, letting go of the breath or whatever else you were focusing on, and paying attention to that emotion. Specifically, feel it in your body. Investigate how you feel this emotion. You might notice some clenching or tightness in your belly. Maybe there's some vibration or tension in your chest. Maybe your throat feels tight. Maybe your face is warm. There's all sorts of sensations in our bodies to pay attention to when we're having an emotion. You can label that emotion: fear, joy, sadness, contentment, whatever it is. Labeling it and feeling it in your body. When the emotion no longer has a hold on you, or something else pulls your attention, or it's stopped, you can go on to that new thing that's pulled your attention, for instance, a new body sensation or sound. Or you can always return to the breathing. Just come back to home base, to your anchor. Sometimes thoughts are just in the background, in which case there's really nothing to do. Just let them float by like clouds. Just stay with your breath. Sometimes you'll notice you're lost in thought. You can use the word thinking or wandering, and then return your attention right back to your breath. But if a thought is repetitive, you can begin to label the thoughts: worrying, planning, remembering. Sometimes in the act of labeling them, they disappear. Sometimes they continue on. If the thought keeps going on in a repetitive way, you might check into your body and see if there are body sensations to notice. Let yourself be curious about the thoughts arising, coming and going. If it feels like too much, always return to the breath. So as you do this practice, the breath is your anchor. And no matter what's happening in your awareness, whether it's sounds, body sensations, emotions, or thoughts, can always find the place to return to. You might also notice if there's an attitude or mood in your mind, like a sense of restlessness or sleepiness, or just a general feeling like sadness. Notice if these mental states color your experience. You can pay attention to them too. So we'll sit together now in silence, remembering to keep your attention mostly focused on your breath. And then if a sound, body sensation, emotion, thought, or obvious mental state or mood, if they become evident, persistent, let go of the breathing. Notice whatever it is that's happening. When it's stopped or no longer holds your attention, return to the breath and just relax. Have fun. Be curious. You're exploring your own mind with curiosity and openness. So we'll try this for some time now with a period of silence. If you find yourself lost in thought, it's not a problem. Just relax. Notice your thinking. Really kindly return your attention back to whatever is happening at this present moment. You might find that you move from one thing to the next. There's a sound, a body sensation, a thought, an emotion, and then return to your breath. Trust in this natural flow of your experience as we relax and witness with curiosity our life unfolding in front of us. So once again, notice your body here, present time awareness, feeling your weight, posture, shape, and then just invite some kindness for yourself, wishing yourself well, the best you can, appreciating yourself. I am happy and peaceful and at ease. I am safe and protected from danger. I am healthy and strong. I am at ease. May we all be happy, peaceful, safe, protected, healthy, strong, and at ease. And so it is. When you're ready, open your eyes.